Provide access to schools counselors and create safe spaces for students to express their emotions.
Peer-led support groups create safe spaces where students can talk about their feelings.
Anonymous suggestion boxes allow students to share concepts privately.
Mental health awareness days organize events to promote open discussions about well-being.
Equip teachers with tools to recognize and address emotional challenges.
Workshops on emotional intelligence help teachers identify stress signals by students.
Training in active listening teach educators to respond with empathy and support.
Encourage teacher-student check-ins, foster a culture of trust through regular conversation.
Foster a culture where students feel comfortable discussing their struggles.
Organize student discussion cycles. Provide a space for students to express concerns.
Normalize talking about emotion. Encourage students to check in on one another.
Invite guest speakers. Bring in experts to discuss mental health openly.
Introduce simple activities like breathing exercises or short breaks to reduce stress.
Daily mindfulness moments dedicated a few minutes to breathing exercises or even meditation.
Create quiet zones. Provide spaces for students so they can relax and de-stress.
Encourage movement breaks, short physical activities to refresh the mind and body.
Encourage students to support one another through mentoring or buddy programs.
Peer mentoring programs. Pair older students with younger ones for guidance.
Friendship benches. Design a space where students can seek combination.
Group problem-solving activities. Strengthen connections and teamwork.
Teach students how to support their peers through kindness, intuition and respect.
Encourage acts of kindness. Promote small gestures that make a big difference.
Recognize positive behaviors. Celebrate students who contribute to a supportive environment.
Develop leadership roles. Allow students to take responsibility in well-being initiatives.
Encourage students to stand up against bullying, report incidents, and create a culture of respect and acceptance.
Be an upstander. Speak up when witnessing bullying and support the victim.
Foster inclusion, so invite classmates to join activities and ensure no one feels left out.
Report incidents, inform teachers or school staff when bullying occurs to ensure a safe environment for everyone.
Educate peers. Raise awareness about bullying and its effects through student-led campaigns and discussions.
From groups that promote mental health awareness, organize well-being activities and ensure that every student feels a sense of belonging.
Mental health clubs. Student-led groups focusing on well-being projects.
Wellness ambassador. Train students to advocate for emotional health.
Community outreach programs. Engage in volunteer work to promote kindness beyond school walls.
The change starts with us.
Together we can save the world.
Let's go, we can do it.